Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to claim high-quality Unity assets for absolutely free. But before we dive into the steps, let's take a quick look at the creative team making this opportunity possible. These assets are provided by PILOTO Studio. They are industry professionals known for their exceptional stylized VFX and premium 3D assets. Their expertise comes from years of game development. And today, they are giving back to the community with these exclusive vouchers. We're talking about premium vouchers that you can use to level up your game right now. Let's get your assets. First, click the special link in my description. Just enter your email on this page and join the list. That's it. They will send a free voucher to your email address. And the voucher code arrived in my email in about 15 minutes. It is very easy. To use your code, go to the Unity Asset Store. Click your profile in the top right corner. Then click Redeem Voucher. Just paste your code there and click Redeem. That's it. The asset is now yours. This is honestly the best and most logical way to get paid assets for free. Every month, they send 15 to 20 extra paid assets to the people on the email list. So, if you are fast, you can get even more free assets. For more amazing content, don't forget to support PILOTO Studio. You can find their full portfolio on ArtStation, check out their premium packs on the Asset Store, or visit their official website. They have so much more to offer for your games. A huge thank you to PILOTO Studio for the support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.